Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to lock your profile on Facebook app. So let's get started. Begin by opening your Facebook application. Then tap on your profile icon, which is right below home icon. Now tap on the three horizontal dots. Then select Lock Profile option. And then tap on Lock Your Profile button. And this is how you can lock your profile on Facebook app. Thanks for watching Online Help Guide. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.